friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the LG UltraGear 17G90Q gaming laptop with GeForce RTX 3080 Max Q. So friend, LG has unveiled the first gaming laptop model 17G90Q, expanding its premium UltraGearTM lineup, bringing exciting news for gamers worldwide. And friend, the powerful performance with a seriously sleek design. And friend, it features an 11th generation Intel Tiger Lake H processor, NVIDIA GeForceTM RTX 3080 Max Q graphics card, a dual channel memory, and ultra fast dual SSD setup. And friend, in addition to 17-inch IPS panel with a 1 millisecond response time and a 300Hz refresh rate, the LG UltraGear gaming laptop ensures immersive, fluid gameplay for even the most graphically demanding PC games thanks to the laptop top-of-the-line hardware. And friend, the LG's cooling system with vapor chamber keeps the laptop running cool even when pushed to the limit. And friend, it has a streamlined, highly portable design. And friend, the new slim laptop packs a large screen and immersive 93-watt battery while maintaining a thickness of 121.4 mm and a weight is less than 2.7 kg. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.